What is up, guys? It's Mike here, and today we got 4 packages in the mail. I cannot wait to see what these things are. Alright, so it's been basically a hot minute since I did an unboxing video, and we decided to go on eBay, Amazon. We got a couple from a friend of mine, and yeah, so we're gonna start things off with this one right here. This one is actually already open a little bit. Now, I did not open this box. It kind of like, I don't know if the tape gave out, but we're just gonna open this right here and see what it is. Alright, so obviously, but as you guys know by now, these are probably all Spin Master trucks. I think one might not be, but yeah. So let's take a look here. Alright, so this looks like mix 7, and there's one truck I do not see on it, as you guys can tell. Alright, so we got Zombie. Unpack this thing right here. If I can get it out. So basically, I end up ordering this one right here, Zombie. I couldn't find it anywhere at all, and then basically like 2 weeks ago, we ended up finding like 5 of them. So that kind of hurts, but it is what it is, and I'm always willing to trade. So we do have one Zombie right here, and we're just going to put this off to the corner. And one cool thing with this is the card is actually really nice. It's in a good condition. It doesn't look bent. Corners are good. A little bent right there, but it ain't that bad. But Zombie, definitely one of my favorite training trucks right here. Pretty cool looking. So we'll put him over to the side. Alright, next truck. Let's stay with the middle and open the eBay one. Now, it's always scary when you get an eBay box because sometimes the packaging ain't good, and eBay is eBay, and you guys already know with eBay prices, they're pretty overpriced. So this one actually wasn't, and if this is the truck I'm thinking of, which I will let you guys know in a minute. Oh, look at that. Alright, so this is the one I definitely know what it is. If you guys need a truck and this guy has it on eBay, 100% totally get it from him. Every truck I get has been perfect. No bends, no nothings, all that. So let's see what it is here. Alright, so this is the one truck that is definitely not a Spin Master truck. And I know what it was. I actually saw, I think it was Monster Jam OCD. He posted this on the, I believe it was his Instagram. Can't really see. And I am a huge fan of this growing up. So when I got this, it was definitely a must. Alright, so brand new for 2020 Bigfoot. This thing looks amazing. I don't know if this can focus, but alright, so 21 out of 75. So basically with these trucks, I'm basically collecting them, and I'm not really opening them. But this one, I might. Look at the grilling on that, dude. Wow. That looks really cool. And here's the back with the mix that it's in. Now, I have not seen any of these mix anywhere in Targets. I did find mix 2 of the Hot Wheels for 2020. Alright, sorry about that, but the camera died. Shockingly. But yeah, anyway, Bigfoot number 21 out of 75. Let's see if I can focus again. Yep, 21 out of 75. This is currently case C, or case number 3. And this is a pretty cool Bigfoot. I like this. I really love it with the grill on it. And if you guys did see this on eBay, it was going for $20. And I know that's a little pricey, but it's Bigfoot. You know, it's my favorite truck. And it actually on the side here, Hot Wheels Monster Truck Live, and it's truck number 5 out of 6. So can't wait to see what they have in store for maybe an exclusive Bigfoot. Currently I'm still looking for that Bigfoot 8, which I think it's up on eBay right now for 250 bucks, which is insane, and the card is completely damaged. But this one's really cool. I like the printing. I don't know if you guys can see that in the front with the grill, but it is a 3D sprinting, and I will be doing a review on this one because I really do love Bigfoot, and this looks just like Bigfoot 1. So yeah, really cool truck, cool all the way around. And once again, where's that little card? I don't know where it went. But West Coast Toy Customs, if you guys need trucks, he probably will have it. He always has the trucks basically first. But yeah, another great package, another great, no bends on the card. The dude is 100% legit, highly recommended. So we'll put Bigfoot right here. Alright, now we got 2 boxes left. Now the funny thing with these boxes, they're actually not mystery. I know what's in these 2, and all I'm gonna say is one was sent to me from a friend, and the other one was a steal on Amazon, which I could not pass up. So we're gonna open up this one first, just because Amazon, you know, Amazon's weird. I don't know. I mean, I don't know if you guys do more shopping on Amazon or maybe eBay, but sometimes Amazon does have trucks up there that are way cheaper than like eBay and all that. So let's see what we got going on here. God, these things are a pain to open. So right when we open it, as you can tell, it is Mix 8. And if you guys know the case and the trucks inside the case, you see one truck missing, and that is exactly what it is. It's none other than the chase piece. It has good packaging from Amazon, and here it is, Dragon. Alright, so good packaging. First thing I'm going to see right off the bat is the fact that this has been kind of disappointing, but it ain't that bad. But yeah, Dragon training truck. Now, this thing is pretty rare. I have not yet to see this one in any stores, Targets, Walmarts, or anything like that. I found Zombie, I found Megalodon. A couple days ago, I actually ended up finding Gravedigger, which was probably pretty rare and weird, to say the least. I was not expecting it in Walmart. But yeah, Dragon, this is the 6th and the final training truck and the final chase piece for Spin Master in 2019. Really cool. Kind of bummed out about that, but we'll see what maybe this one looks like. So, as most of you guys do know, I have a really good friend in California that sends me trucks when he can. And, you know, it's pretty cool to have that, I guess. Because in cases like this, I'm really hoping it's not bent, because that would be a heartbreaking loss. But usually he pulls through. If you guys watch my other unboxing videos, you know what I mean. Oh god. God. Alright. So here's the truck. And you gotta love his little touch of cardboard. Or not cardboard, I'm sorry, newspaper. Alright, so let's hope for the best here now. That'd be funny if it was just like a normal, like, Gravedigger or something like that. He's just totally, like, screwing with me. Alright. Card looks good so far. And, yep. Alright, so Dragon. Dragon again. Perfect card. Good. No bends, nothing like that. And this one will actually complete my Mix 8, because as you guys do know, I get 2 of these. One I do open, and one I do not open. And as you see right there, I don't know what that is. A little sticker, but that's not bad. A little bit of damage down there. Not bad, a lot better than the other one though, I will say. But here it is, the training truck for Mix 8 and the final training truck of this year, Dragon. So not a bad day, We got 4 packages in the mail. We got 2 Dragon training trucks here. Let's take the camera off. So not bad. 2 Dragons. Which one's a little bent, I'm not complaining about though. Then you got the West Coast Toy Custom, or West Coast, oh my god. West Coast Toy Mafia, wow. Sorry if I said that wrong, and sorry if you're watching. And then Zombie. Now, as you guys do know, I have 2 of these. I do have quite a bit of these. This one is that's just a special place for me right there. And let's see where the other ones are. That's 2. And that's 3. So if anyone actually does need a zombie, just hit me up, let me know. Or even, I don't know, maybe if I find another dragon, I would definitely let you guys know. But yeah, not bad at all. We got 1 zombie, 2 dragons, and this cool Bigfoot, which I have no idea when these are going to be in stores. But yeah, I hope you guys like this. I know this wasn't like a mystery unboxing, but you know, something cool, something out there, the rare value, I guess. And yeah, let me know if you guys have these. If you guys need a zombie, let me know in the comments below or message me, and I'm sure we can work something out. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys very, very shortly.